Hi friends, welcome to another Sunday with Sarah. I'm Sarah Baldwin, and today I'm going to share a craft tutorial with you. Valentine's Day is coming, so I thought I would show you how to make one of my very favorite Valentine's crafts. It's a woven heart basket, sometimes also known as a Danish woven basket. It looks like this, and it's made out of sheets of wool felt. And what's sweet about this, it not only looks really cute with its checkerboard pattern, you can fill it up with a treat for a special Valentine with little Hershey's Kisses or little Valentine hearts or any little treasures. I'm going to show you how simple it is to make. Okay, I'm going to start by cutting out my pattern from this template. Now the template has two patterns on it. You really only need one, as I'll show you. And I'm using my paper scissors to just cut out the oval shape. Now this is a craft older children, 7 and up, can do by themselves, maybe 8 and up. But for younger children, you can do this together with them. But I would recommend doing the cutting first. And when you get to the weaving step, which I'll show you, you can let them help with the in and out of the weaving. Or as a parent, you can make this little basket as a surprise Valentine for your child to leave on Valentine morning filled with little goodies. All right, I've got this cut out, and now I'm going to fold it in half. And then I'm going to carefully cut it in a very straight line. Okay, and I've got one for each color of felt. Okay, so the next step is you take one of the colors of your wool felt, and I'm going to fold it in half, like so. And then I'm going to take my pattern. I like to put this side right on the edge, and you're going to put the flat side of your pattern on the fold. And I like to secure this with just about 3 pins to keep it secure so that when I cut, my lines are going to be very straight. And then I take my fabric scissors and just cut around the pattern. And then I'm going to just cut as carefully as I can, straight on each of these lines. All right, I'll remove my pins. Unfold it, and I have a piece like this. Now you would just do the same thing and use the other half of your pattern and do it with the contrasting color. I already have one that's already cut out right here, so we can move ahead to the weaving phase. So now comes the fun part, and if you're working with a younger child, this is where they can begin to help. So I'm going to fold each of my pieces here in half. Let me put them this way so they look more like a heart to you. And I think it helps to, it's not necessary, but just to put a pin here to keep the top edges of your heart together. And now most weaving, you go under, over, under, over. In this case, we're gonna go in and out. So on the first one, I'm gonna go outside of this loop. And then I'm gonna go inside the next loop. outside and inside. And that may look like it's not going to hold, but trust me, when it's finished, it will. So now you're going to do the opposite on the next one. You're going to go inside the first loop, outside, inside, and outside. This is also a nice craft for teachers to do with a class of children if they want to make a Valentine's gift for someone special or for a parent. Okay, so now we go outside. Inside. And this weaving is great for children. It teaches them logic and sequence. All right. Our last loop. Do the opposite, inside. Outside. Inside. And outside. Now you've finished your weaving. At this point I would just kind of straighten out my loops. Looks pretty good. And now you see if I open it up, let me take my pins out. Open it up and we've woven a little basket. Now the last step is to glue a handle on. So I'll take my leftover scrap of felt. You can use either color. Just marking it so that they're straight. I'm going to use my ruler and a pen to make a straight line. And again, we'll take my fabric scissors to cut. Now that's probably too long of a handle. I'll just cut a little bit off to make the loop a good size. And this is when I would take the side that you marked on with pen, put that on the inside in case there's any pen mark showing. And then just put a little glue. I wish I had better glue to demonstrate with. I would again recommend using a hot glue gun if you have one, or a tacky glue, which you can get at a craft store. And then there you have it. It's as simple as that. I will put the links below this video, a source for the felt and also for a template for the pattern. So happy Valentine's to you. Wishing lots of love to you and your family. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you tried it. Send us photos of your finished woven heart basket. Happy Valentine's Day. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you'd like to see more Sunday with Sarah videos, be sure to subscribe to the Sunday with Sarah YouTube channel and click the little notification bell to be notified every time we publish a new video. As always, I really appreciate hearing from you. Leave a comment below the video, or you can email me at sundaywithsarah@bellalunatoys.com, and I love hearing your questions and answering them, and maybe I'll answer yours in a future video. See you next Sunday.